What do you do if you've got a sweet tooth going on and you just don't want pancakes? I know, make some maple candy. Let's go. So I took a heavy saucepan, put a candy thermometer in there, and took pure maple syrup, poured it in the pan, and I'm boiling it down. Let's make some maple candy. Now first off, I want to give you a word of warning. We're going to cook this to 235. You want to keep that heat down low because this can boil over real easy. Just like a volcano, a maple volcano. If you noticed, I left plenty of room in this pan because this stuff needs lots of room. It rises up while it's boiling. Take my word for it. I'll show you. So this is about, I'd say probably 30 to 40 minutes into cooking. And that's what it starts looking like. I told you, you got to leave plenty of room because it's almost going to boil over here if I'm not careful. Okay, what I've done, just to make it go down a little bit, is I've got it half on the burner and half off. It's still able to get some heat to it, but it's not boiling over. So we're gonna, no matter how low I made that heat, it still wanted to boil over. So right now we're at about 226 degrees. 9 more degrees to go. 9 more degrees, and we're going to stir it for 5 minutes. But it'll take a while to get up there. Just keep letting it boil. Be patient. Anything worth doing is worth taking your time and doing it right. Keep it on low. I got it up to temperature, 235. I turned it off. I'm going to cool it down to 180. Okay, I've cooled it down to 180. Now I'm going to start stirring for 5 full minutes. I'll be back after I'm done. Okay, I stirred it quickly, then I poured it into molds. You got to work fast. Get it in there. Or you can just pour it out onto a slab and cut it into pieces when it's ready. Now it's time for my favorite part, tasting it. It's delicious. This is a piece that I just cut into squares. Wish you could taste this. Make your own. I showed you how now.